threat actors never rest. And no matter how much effort we put into stopping them, they will always find ways to navigate around protection. Your inbox should be an exclusive club where only the good messages are allowed access. You'll use your email as you normally do, and Shield will learn based on those actions to turn your inbox into that exclusive club that it was designed to be. Allow me to demonstrate. First, if a harmful message arrives, a virus, phishing attempt, an impersonation, or an obviously malicious threat, Shield's going to ship that message right off to a place on our servers appropriately labeled jail. Those will never reach your inbox because, frankly, no one wants their inbox to become a crime scene. Next, Shield knows who you've been communicating with regularly, so those messages are going to appear in your inbox just as they always have. Shield's heads-up display that gets applied to every message will indicate that those users have been trusted for inbox delivery, showing that they already have full access to your club. If a new sender wants access to your inbox and Shield determines that the message is safe for entry, Shield will let them into the inbox, but will apply a banner indicating that you have not approved the message for permanent access. Want to approve them? Click the Trust button and confirm your selection via the web. Want to deny them access to your inbox? Click Silence and confirm as well. You can also drag them from your inbox to your junk email folder, and you will never hear from them again.
If you accidentally move a message to junk and did not mean to silence the sender, simply pull that message back from your junk folder into the inbox, and it will trust that sender again.
Is your inbox already a little crowded? Would you prefer a line outside of the door for any new club goers? Simply enable focused inbox in Outlook, and new senders will now arrive in your Other tab. Dragging a message from Other to Focus will add that sender to your trusted network. Dragging a sender from Other to Junk will silence them permanently. So, we covered messages that Shield knows are bad and messages that Shield thinks are good, but what about all those messages that are in between? Those messages that don't appear to be harmful or malicious, but also don't look quite right. Shield is going to deliver those messages to your junk email folder. A quick glance at the heads-up display will show exactly why Shield wasn't comfortable granting access to your inbox. Clicking that heads-up display will launch Shield's X-ray feature, which will give you everything that you need to know to understand exactly why Shield did not let that message in. Clicking on any given insight will give you a layman's definition of what the filter found. If you disagree with Shield's assessment, click the Trust button, and that will add this person to your Trust network. You can also drag the message from junk into inbox to add them to your Trust network as well. As you do this with similar messages, Shield will start to learn the type of concerns that it should ignore and the type of concerns it should continue to prevent inbox access. As you can see, training Shield to deliver the types of messages that you want and deny the types of messages that you don't want really is as simple as using your email. Before you know it, your inbox will feel like it is the exclusive club that it was meant to be, and your workday will finally be free of distractions.